Good day everyone, my name is Precious Shola. So what we'll be doing today, we'll be learning how to link two pages together. And if you're a complete beginner in web development, coding or programming, this class is actually for you. So the first thing we want to do, we want to create a folder. We can name the folder links. Then we'll open the folder with VS Code, open with VS Code. So we'll come to our new file icon, we'll click on it. The first page we'll see the first page is home.html, and the second page, we'll click here again, we'll click the second page. The second page will be dashboard.html. Yes, so we have our home page and we'll have our dashboard page. So let's start. Inside the home page, if you remember how we always create our boilerplate, Shift+1, and we'll click on enter. We can give here, we can say home page. Then we can come to the body. Now let's start. We can start with H1. You can see welcome to my home page. So we are just writing something, so the page will not be empty. We can use p tag. If you remember, this what we've been doing in our previous class, h1 and p tag. So we can say thank you for visiting my site. Then now, so if we want to create a link tag, we are going to use the A tag. So we are going to press A and we are going to click enter. Then in your href, here in your href, you want to link the dashboard. We want to link the dashboard to this place. So we are going to say dashboard. It's already popping out, so you click enter. Then when you come here, this is what people are going to see. You can say click for more info, or no, you can use something like click to access your dashboard. I think click to access your dashboard. Okay, you can see welcome to. Okay, you can say welcome to the home page. Thank you for visiting this site. Click to access your dashboard. Okay, we are just trying to make it like look real. So let's press Ctrl S. If you remember, I showed you how to install Live Server, so we are going to open it with Live Server. Okay, so this is what we have here. Welcome to the home page. Thank you for visiting this site. Click to. So now we are going to the dashboard page. Let's create the dashboard page. The dashboard page. We are going to click on it and let's see, enter. Then you can say dashboard. Dashboard here. I think the only thing we need to do, we'll just say welcome to your dashboard. Then maybe below you can just give a little maybe a little description or a little note. The goal is to link the two pages together. The goal is to link the two pages together, so you can just put something just to make it look real. So when we save this one, we'll come back come back to our website. When you click here, you see it's taking you to the dashboard. It's taking you to the dashboard. That's actually how to link two pages together. So now let's do a little bit of styling before. So if you remember, if you want to style, you create. I already spoke about how to implement CSS in my last class. So if you haven't watched it, you can actually go to watch it so that you won't be left behind. So you can say style.css. Then let's start with the CSS. So let's start with the body. I already explained some things about CSS, so I won't be really explaining anything much again. So let's give it a background color. Let's say give it a background color of, let's say, white, or a lighter gray of white. And then let's change the font. Let's use the font family of I like using Arial, so let's use Arial. So let's align the text together. Let's align the text to center. I spoke about all this in my last class, so I'm actually just implementing everything. So let's say margin top. I spoke about margin and padding in my last class, so you can go and watch my previous video so that you can understand some things. So let's style the H1. I think we'll just be changing only the font. The font is quite small, so we'll be giving it the font size of let's say font size of 50. Size of 50 pixels. Okay, before we go on, let's save and see what our page is looking like. Oh, I forgot something. I've not linked the HTML to the CSS. Yes, and sometimes you can actually do that. So let's and to link, you are going to use your link tag. When you click your link, you press OK, then you see style, press Ctrl S. Let's go to our dashboard. Let's link it together. Let's link. Okay, then we can say style, save. And let me tell you something. I link the home page and the dashboard page to this CSS. The two HTML page are linked to only one CSS. So as I say, body, this styling is actually affecting, it will affect the whole body of this home page, and it's still going to affect the body of the dashboard page. So you don't need to really create another style page for dashboard and create another one for home page. You can actually style everything in one CSS file. So when we click Ctrl S now, you can see it will affect. Yes, it's going to affect. You can see it's affecting. I see text align center. That's why our text is actually centrally aligned. And I increased the font to 50. That's why the font is bigger. And also margin top. I explained what is margin top. I explained margin and padding in my last class. The reason why is not to the top. This space here is actually the margin. Is the margin top of 150 I gave it. This space here is actually the margin top of 150 I gave it. So let's proceed. We can still do little things. Let's say let's increase the font of the P tag. You can say font size. Let's say 18 pixels. Now let's style our link. Let's style our link tag. The link, if you look at it, it's not looking good. It's having underline. Let's make it look like a link. Yes, let's make it look like a link. So what we're going to do, we're going to say A. We're going to give it a color. Let's just give it a blue color. We'll increase the font. to 20 pixels. Text, I explained text decoration in my last class. I explained what this means in my last class, so you can, let's give it a border 2 pixels. 20 is too much. I wanted to say 2 pixels. Let's make it solid. Then let's still give it a blue. Then the next thing, let's give it the padding. So inside the A tag, we'll have the padding of top and bottom, then left and right will be 20. So the next thing, border radius. I think this is the only feature I haven't explained since. So border radius, when you save it, let me show you what border radius means. The reason why it's having this edge, so if we remove this border radius, you see the edges are not rounded now, they are actually squared, or will I say sharp. Or when we give the border radius, when we save, let's increase it and you'll see. Let's increase it to like 10. So when you come, you can see the border radius. It's having rounded edges. That's what border radius means. So you can just give it the 5, and let's give it a hover. In my last class, we did hover, so no need to explain much about it. Hover is actually self-explanatory. So we would say background color. The background color of hover, you can still give it a blue to maintain color balance and consistency. Then color for the hover, let's still give it the same white. So we are going to save, and so this is what we have. This is what we have here. When you hover over it, the color of it changed to white, and when you hover over it, I think this is actually okay for beginners. When you click on it, it moves to your dashboard. Okay, let's add some paragraph. You can come here and we can add some dummy text. If you want to add dummy text, you can say lorem, let's say lorem 50, let's say 100. Click on enter. You have 100 dummy text. When you come here, you have it like this. So I think that will be that. So when you move back, when you click, you come to your dashboard page. You can go back, click. This actually, we have linked these two pages together. This is actually how to link it together. So thank you for watching. Do well to subscribe, do well to comment, and see you in my next video. Thank you.